Welcome to another book read by Alberto Gutierrez. The title of this book is How to Plant Radishes. It is written and illustrated and read by Alberto Gutierrez. Welcome to another edition of Books Read by me, Alberto Gutierrez. This is intended to be a how-to book that teaches others how to do something. In this particular case, how to plant radishes. On the front cover, you will see photos, labels, and words. I hope you enjoy this book. Okay, we are ready. Please turn the page. You're going to open your book to page 1. Look for page 1 on the bottom right-hand corner. Put your finger on it so we know that everyone is on page 1. You will see a picture of a boy sitting on the soil and the sun shining brightly. Below the boy, the words say, "Before you plant radishes, you need a nice sunny place to begin." Now look at the other side of your book, that's page 2. Please put your finger on the place where it says page 2 in the lower right-hand corner. On this page, you will see a little girl in the sun and someone holding a little shovel and the picture of the soil. Below the girl, the words say, "Next, you need to prepare the soil. Get a small tool to help turn the soil." Carefully turn the page. Sometimes the pages will stick together, so be sure you're on page 3. Put your finger where it says page 3 in the lower right-hand corner. You will see a hand dropping a seed into the soil. It's black and white. Below the soil, the words say, "Then you make some holes in a line. Next, you put one radish seed in each hole." Look on the other side of your book. That will be page 4. Please put your finger where it says page 4 in the lower right-hand corner. We want to make sure everyone is on the same page. Here you'll see a picture of soil with some drawings on top of the soil and that little hand tool turning the soil. The words below the hand tool says, "After dropping the seeds in the holes, cover the seeds with soil." Now carefully turn the page. You'll be on page 5. Put your finger on the lower right-hand corner where it says page 5. You will see a little water can and a hand pouring out the water, the sun, in the soil. Below the soil, the words say, "Then you must water the soil and all the seeds. Keep the soil moist all the time." Look on the other side of your book. That will be page 6. Put your finger on where it says page 6 in the lower right-hand corner. On this page, you will see pictures of leaves. And below the photos, the words say, "In about 4 to 10 days, the first leaves will sprout or germinate out of the ground." So this is a big adult word, germinate. Can you say that word? Germinate. That means that the plants begin to grow, the seeds begin to grow. Go and tell your mommy and daddy that you learned a big adult word, and the word is germinate. Carefully turn the page. You'll be on page 7. Put your finger on the lower right-hand corner where it says page 7. We want to make sure everyone is on this page. Here you'll see leaves and a watering can and the sun. Below the photos, the words say, "Continue adding water to the radish plants every day. Do not let the soil dry out." Now look on the other side of your book. That will be page 8. Put your finger on the lower right-hand corner of the page where it says page 8. Here you see 2 photos, more leaves, and the radish is growing. Below the photos, the words say, "Soon the radish plant will have more leaves. Look out for weeds and pull them out." Please carefully turn the page. You will be on page 9. Be careful, sometimes the pages stick together. Be sure you're on 9. You'll see one photo of many leaves. Below the photo, the words say, "After about 2 weeks, the radish plants will be full of leaves. Keep watering." Now look on the other side of your book. That will be page 10. More leaves. The plants are more full. The words below the photo say, "After about 4 weeks, the leaves will be very lush and full. Keep pulling weeds." Carefully turn the page to page 11. Put your finger on page 11 in the lower right-hand corner. Please make sure everyone is on page 11. You'll see the red radishes popping out of the soil. The words below the photos say, "You will begin to see the red round ball of the growing radish near the soil." Now look on the other side of your book. That will be page 12. You will see 2 photos and 1 radish pulled out of the soil. The words below the photos say, "Find 1 radish you want to eat. Grab it below the leaves and pull gently." Carefully turn the page. You'll be on page 13. Put your finger on page 13 in the lower right-hand corner. There'll be 1 photo with the radish lying on the soil. The words below the photo say, "Next, find more radishes that are ready to eat and pull them out too." Look on the other side of your book. That will be page 14. There are 2 photos. Again, there's 1 radish that's been pulled out. It's in the air. Below the photos, the words say, "Only pull out enough radishes that you will be able to eat. Save the others for later." Carefully turn 1 page. You'll be on page 15. Put your finger on the place where it says page 15 in the lower right-hand corner. There are 2 photos of radishes. And the words below the photos say, "Gather all the radishes you pulled up. Now get them ready to wash off all the soil." Look on the other side of your book. You will see page 16, 2 photos. The radishes are in the sink and they're being washed. The words below the photos say, "Put the radishes in the kitchen sink. Next, run the water and wash away all the soil." Now carefully turn 1 page of your book. You will be on page 17. Please put your finger where it says page 17 in the lower right-hand corner. You'll see 2 photos, one of a radish under the water and one getting ready to be cut. Below the photos, the words say, "After all the radishes are washed, you can cut off the long root and green leaves." Look on the other side of your open book. You will be on page 18 and you'll see 1 photo with radishes in a bowl full of water. Below the photo, the words say, "Then put all the washed radishes in a bowl of water. They are ready to eat." Now close your book and look at the last page. That's the back cover page. Normally this page is left blank. However, I like to continue the story and write some words on there. Let's look at the words below the photo. The words say, "It was hard work growing radishes, but it was all worth the yummy taste." Normally, homegrown vegetables and fruit really do taste better than store-bought because they're so fresh when you pick them out of your garden or pick them off a tree. I hope you have fun growing your own fruits or vegetables in your yard.